In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a membership community using Gumroad. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or entrepreneur, offering a membership community can be a great way to engage with your audience and provide them with exclusive content. So let's dive right in and learn how you can set up your very own membership using Gumroad. First things first, we'll start by heading over to Gumroad's website. Open your web browser and simply type in gumroad.com in the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner. You'll find an option that says log in. Go ahead and click on that. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll be prompted to do so. Gumroad provides an easy login option through Google, so find the button that says sign in with Google, select that, and choose your Google account. Now that you're logged in, let's proceed to create a product. On your dashboard, you'll see a section labeled Products. Click on that. Here, you'll notice a button that says New Product. Select this option to start creating a new membership product. This is where things start getting fun. You'll be given a choice of product types. We'll be selecting membership since our goal is to create a community offering. Once you've clicked on membership, you'll see a space to type the name of your membership. Choose something catchy and descriptive that will attract potential members. Next, you'll need to set the pricing for your membership. Choose your currency from the drop down and set your pricing. It's important to keep your audience's budget in mind when deciding on this price. After you've done that, you'll see an option, Next Customize. Click it to move on. Here you have the opportunity to personalize your membership product. Start by adding a detailed description that explains what your membership entails. This is your chance to sell the value of your community and entice potential members to join. Then upload some appealing images or videos that will serve as the cover of your membership offer. This visual element is crucial for drawing attention. You can also upload a thumbnail image. This will act as a smaller representation of your membership and should be visually appealing and relevant to your offering. Now, let's move on to adding a summary. Craft a brief but engaging overview of what members can expect. Afterward, you'll have the option to create different tiers if you'd like to offer various levels of access or benefits. Each tier should have its name and description, which will help clarify what's included for different price points. With everything laid out, don't forget to decide whether you want to offer monthly, yearly, or both pricing options for your tiers. This can give potential members flexibility in how they want to engage financially. Once everything is set up, hit save and continue. Now you are ready to embed content or type directly into Gumroad. This feature is particularly useful if you have things like guides or posts you want to share directly with your community. Finally, when you're happy with how everything looks and reads, click on publish and continue, and your membership is live. Now your audience can join, and you've successfully set up a membership community on Gumroad. And that's it, you've just taken a significant step towards building and engaging with your community through a membership offering on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and good luck with your new membership community.